Hello everyone, welcome to my little urban homestead. Just a quick little video. I went shopping just before the new year on Sunday. Fabric shopping, not food shopping, because I'm on the January Pantry Challenge now. And but while I was waiting for Lurch to come pick me up, they got a carnival going on, and I took some footage of one of the rides, and it makes me dizzy every time I watch it. And I just want to take this chance to wish all of you, to hope that all of you had a good Christmas and a good New Year. And I'll be seeing you soon, doing different things. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.